Okay, situation 25. The basic proportioning, the basic data for proportioning the trial batches for normal weight concrete with an average compression strength of 35 megapascal at 28 days are as follows. Slump water cement ratio, specific gravity of cement, specific gravity of the coarse aggregate, specific gravity of the fine aggregates in water. Net mixing is 180 kilogram per cubic. Entrapped air is 1% and concrete unit weight is 23.6. What is the total solid volume cubic meters of the water, cement, coarse aggregate, and entrapped air if the dry unit weight of the coarse aggregate is dry weight po siya of the coarse aggregate is 10.1 kilonewtons. Kakalito kasi nilagyan niya ng per cubic meters. Isa-isahin natin. Kailangan makuha yung volume each of this material. Unahin ko yung water. Base sa ating given, no? Ang meron sa water class, it is the mass. The mass of water is rho times volume, density times volume. Itong 180 kilogram per cubic meters of concrete yung ibig sabihin dyan. 1 cubic meter of concrete, meron tayong 180 kilogram of water na ilalagay. So, ang mass is 180 kilogram. We are calculating per batch, ha. Density ng water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Volume of water. So, ito yung required volume of water sa isang batch. Okay, tapos na tayo sa water. Cement naman tayo. Sa cement, gagamitin natin si water cement ratio. So, yung mangyari. Ang water cement ratio is pwede siya in terms of mass or pwede rin siya in terms of weight. Hindi niya sinabi, no? But, pwede rin siya in terms of volume. Pero hindi niya sinabi dito. Usually, pag binigyan ng water cement ratio, it is in terms of mass or weight. Hindi pwede volume. Unless specifically sabihin niya. Okay? Usually, actual data pala to sa exams na 2018. No? So, usually, yung ginagamit dyan is weight in terms of weight or mass. So, mass na lang kasi mass naman yung meron tayo dito sa volume, sa water. So, the water cement ratio is 0.48. The mass of water is 180. Okay? Then, over the mass of cement, kunin muna natin yung mass of cement, 375 kilogram sa isang batch ng concrete, sa isang cubic meter. The basic data of proportioning trial batches. Isang batch po yan. Okay, so para makuha yung volume ng cement, we will use ulit the formula. Mass is density times volume. The mass of cement is 375. Density, merong specific gravity. Diba density is specific gravity times density of the water. So ito yung buong delta gamma cement. Rho cement. Rho. Tapos volume cement, kuha natin ang volume ng cement required sa isang batch ng concrete. Finish tayo dito sa dalawa, coarse aggregate naman. Okay, ano yung data sa coarse aggregate? Meron kang specific gravity. Makukuha mo yung unit weight by multiplying that one by the unit weight of water. Ito yung nakakalito, ha. If the dry weight, specific dito weight, hindi sa unit weight. May times kasi unit weight yung binibigay niya, yung mismong unit weight. So, dry weight of the coarse aggregate is 10.1. Pag meron siya per cubic meter, aakalain natin siyang unit weight. But hindi, for this data. Magdodoble kasi. Meron ng unit weight if you have specific gravity. So, ibig sabihin yan, ito pala is the weight of the coarse aggregate per cubic meter of concrete. Medyo nakakalito yung data niya dito. So, we can solve the volume using this relation. Weight is unit weight times volume. So, if the weight per batch is 10.1, then unit weight is specific gravity times unit weight of water. So, ito na yung gamma coarse aggregate. Volume, kuha natin si volume of coarse aggregate. Okay, check na tayo dito sa tatlo. Entrapped air naman. Ang sabi niya, entrapped air is 1%. So, 1% sa 1 batch ng concrete or 1 cubic meter of concrete. That's 0.01 cubic meter. So, pag i-add natin yung lahat, ito yung tanong dito, the sum of the weight. So, just add all of this, 0.18, 0.119, 0.384, 0.01, that will give us 0.69 cubic meter. Okay, number 74. Sa 10 cubic meter of concrete, how much cement in kilonewtons is needed? Okay, di ba ang mass is per cubic meter of concrete yan? Convert lang natin yan to kilonewtons to weight. Yung mass, no, sa isang batch. So, ang total weight ng concrete required sa 10 cubic meter, that will be, ito siya is 375 kilogram sa isang cubic meter of concrete. So, nilagyan ko lang ng apelyido para klaro. Convert ko yan to newtons times 9.81, that's gravity per square meter per square second. The resulting unit will be newtons. Multiply ng 10 cubic meter of concrete. So this will cancel. Cancel po yan. Resulting unit is, sa 10 cubic meter of concrete, kailangan ng 36.79 kilonewtons of cement. So 36.8 yung nasa choice letter C. Okay, then number 75. If the combined solid volume of cement, volume daw, water course aggregate, and entrapped air is 0.55, what is the dry sand? What weight of dry sand is required? Diba alam natin na yung isang buong volume ng batch ng concrete is composed of cement, water course aggregate, and air, and fine aggregates. So ito given siya. Sabi daw, yung combined volume daw dito sa isang batch, 0.55. Isang batch ha? Isang batch ng concrete, 1 cubic meter. Itong buo is 0.55. Plus volume of fine aggregates or sand. Kuha muna natin si volume ng fine aggregates. Then after that, gusto natin weight, use gamma times volume, fine aggregates. Anong gamma? Specific gravity of the fine aggregates times unit weight water times volume of the fine aggregates. Answer, 11.654 kilonewtons.